Ellie and Kat. I thought I'd show you my project which I've created for the Trimcraft blog. Hope you like it. I'm calling it my Wishes Exploding Box thingy. Basically using lots of positive messages from the first edition Free Spirit paper pad. I've also incorporated some of the first edition cut-in USBs, but they're pretty optional. I've designed the box so that it can be made and enjoyed without having the files if you don't have them. Alright, okay, so the outside of the box is pretty simple. We just got the panels with the beautiful paper from the Free Spirit pad with the lilies on there, or the lotus. They're so pretty, and the top here has the Good Vibes Only motif. This here is from the USB cut-in file. I think that one's from the decorative. I've written it in my write-up, and I've used the self-adhesive glitter card. It cuts a dream on the scan and cut. I will try it on the Cricut at some point, but it cuts lovely, so I've sized it to fit the box size, and we have that on all four sides. I like making little boxes with surprises in. Who doesn't want a hidden surprise? This one's a bit different to my usual ones. When you open the lid, we have these. I haven't got enough room to show it properly, but this here is my wishes. Again, using the USB cut-in file for the alphabet and numbers. We've got motifs with little bells on, and I think these sequins are from Pretty Poses, Dovecraft Pretty Poses, but basically we're opening the box and we've got this interesting element here, what I'm calling my little danglers. Right, okay, so that's the dangly box thingy, and here we have more panels. Again, I've used the double-sided, no, it's not double-sided, is it? It's a self-adhesive glitter card, and I've cut the elephant from the Animals USB. We have some more of the star banner from the decorative USB, and these motifs here, that could be a tag for a personal message to be written. These are from the papers. Lots of positive messages there, and I put Shine Bright on there because I thought I would echo the crystals inside. The elephants are on acetate. I fussy cut those from the 12x12 paper, and so they're a nice size, and I thought we'd have elephants marching around. The inner box has the crystals on. I thought we could pop a little gift in there. It's a small box inside. Could make a lid if we wanted, but I thought I'll leave it like that, and then the danglers will suspend and go down in there when the box is closed. But you could pop jewellery in there, you could pop Ferrero Rocher, put anything in there really. I was going to put some loose flower sequins inside so that when the box opened, you know, there might be some confetti coming out, but I'm not sure if I'll do that for packing, but it's always an option for display. I've made sure that the acetate's quite firm because I wanted it to hold up and not flop about too much, but if you use a finer acetate, or if you cut the acetate thinner, we'll get more movement there. Basically, that's it. Hope you like it, and I will forward the write-up to you as soon as I can. I've got it all typed up ready to post. Right, thank you very much for looking. Bye.